Hello guys, I want to specially welcome you to my training on how to make money with Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, popularly known as what? Amazon KDP. My name is Amadin Etiosa. Alright, so in this training, it's going to be a detailed training that will be taking us through all the things we need to know about Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Alright, as a way of introduction, we need to understand what is Amazon KDP and what the business is all about. Alright, this is a real-time business and we need to be familiar ourselves with everything we need to know. So as a way of introduction, we just go, what is Amazon KDP? You can type it on Google. What is Amazon KDP? Okay, right, when you put it on Google you see everything you know. Right, let's go over to this and see. Let's go over to this and see. You can see, alright, look at it. It said, what is KDP? KDP allow you to self-publish ebooks, paperback and hardcover for free. We give you direct access to your books on Amazon and allow you to create a product about it. So basically, Amazon KDP is a branch of Amazon that allows you to publish books. Alright, the books can be an ebook, that's a soft copy, a hard copy, alright, paperback and a hardcover, those hardcover books. Alright, these are the two kinds of book you can publish on Amazon. Alright, so in Amazon KDP, it allows you to publish books. Alright, it allows you to publish books, and these books are not far-fetched. Alright, they are easily, you can publish this book. You don't need to be a writer to be able to publish books on Amazon. Okay, you don't need to be a writer to be able to publish book on Amazon. And you can look at it and say, what type of content can I publish through KDP? That is to tell you that there are different contents. There are different content on what? On Amazon KDP. There are different content. You have the novels, the book series, children book, comic, cool book, journal, poetry and textbooks. Alright, they are allowed this, but there are other parts. We have what is called non-fiction. Non-fiction are those books that teaches people about something. Alright, non-fiction, they are easy to come by, like those 10, 20, 30, 40 pages book. Alright, these book materials you can easily get them from the internet. Alright, the good thing about this Amazon KDP is that you don't need to be a writer. So many persons have been asking me, how do I don't know how to write book, how do I go about this, how do I go about that? You don't need to be a writer to be able to publish books on Amazon. You don't need to be a writer to be able to publish books on Amazon. Okay, so this is a real-time business. This is a real-time business for people that want to make money. Alright, with this. Alright, so as a way of doing this, you can publish all kinds of books. So let me take you to the Amazon part that is where you can publish your book. Okay, so this is the introduction part, so I need to take us through all of those things. So when you come here, come to Amazon, just amazon.com. When you come to amazon.com, you can see, alright, this is the e-commerce side of Amazon. Okay, you just take your mouse here, click on this part and you see what? Kindle store. Alright, you just click on it and you hit what? Search. Come to Kindle store and you hit search. You can see these are different books that people are publishing. Okay, when you come here, you know, this is what? Kindle store. Then you come to Kindle's ebooks. Right, when you come to Kindle's ebooks, you see all of this. Okay, you can see these are different books that people are promoting on Amazon. And another good thing about this Amazon KDP is that once your book is published, you don't need to run adverts, you don't need to come and monitor how the book is doing. All you just be seeing on your dashboard is what? How many books you have been you are making per day, how many books that is being sold, and all of those things. You don't need to run adverts, you don't need to monitor, you don't need to do all of those things. But all you need to do is to make sure that you publish book that is detailed enough, and once it's accepted, you are good to go. Okay, so this is the book that I'm talking about. You can see all of these things. and there are different books. Once you come over to this place, you can see art and biography, biographies and memos, business and money, children's ebook, comic, manga and graphic novels, computer, cookbook, food and wine, craft. All these are different books that people are publishing. All right. So in the course of this training, I'll be showing you hot niches. All right, hot niches, because it's not just about. Another thing is knowing the business. Another one is what, knowing how to make money from the business. Okay, so I will be showing you the hot niches where people make money from. All right, and the kind of books to publish on those areas. So as a way of this now, I just quickly want to let you know what this business is all about and how you can start. So stay with me to the end in the subsequent training, where I'll be unveiling to you how to create an account, how to create a receiving fund as the Pioneer account, and how to create an Amazon KDP even as a Nigerian. Okay, so in the next training I'll be showing you how to create an account with Amazon KDP as a Nigerian. Okay, thank you so much for staying with me to this time. My name remains Amadin Etiosa. Thank you and have a wonderful day.